Hello students, today we are going to solve the question. Draw a right angle triangle. Draw the perpendicular bisector of its sides. Where does the point of concurrence lie? So student, to solve this question, first we will draw the right angle triangle and then we will draw a perpendicular bisector to all the three sides of a right angle triangle. So let's start. So student, first I am drawing right angle triangle. Now I will take a protractor and I will take measurement 90 degree, exact 90 degree. Now I will connect this point here. So students, we have drawn the right angle triangle. We will name this triangle P Q R. Now I will draw a perpendicular bisector to all the three sides of this triangle. So for that I will take a compass. First I will draw a perpendicular bisector to side QR. For that, first I will place the pointed end of the compass on point R and I will draw a perpendicular bisector to QR. So for that I will take distance more than half of the length of QR. So I have taken more than half. Then I will draw the arc above the line and below the line. So let's start. Let's draw the arc. Now without changing the distance, I will shift this here and I will draw the arc, these two arcs. Now I had got the 2 points. I will connect these 2 points with scale. Okay, now we have drawn one perpendicular bisector. Now I will draw another perpendicular bisector to side PR. For that also I am going to follow the same rules. I will take distance more than half of PR. Then I will draw the arc above the line and here below the line. Now I will shift this point at point P. Now I will cut these two arcs here. Now I had got 2 points here, one point here and one point here. I will connect these 2 points. So students, we have drawn 2 angle bisectors. Now we are going to draw the angle bisector for side PQ. For that also we will take the distance more than half of the length of PQ compass. So students, I had taken more than half. Now I will draw the arc. Now I will shift this point to point P without changing the distance. Now I got 2 points. I'm going to connect these 2 points. So students, we have drawn these 3 angle bisectors. And all the 3 angle bisectors meets at a common point. This point is known as point of concurrence, and the point of concurrence lies on the hypotenuse of the right angle triangle. Here question was draw a right angle triangle. So first we draw the right angle triangle, then we drawn perpendicular bisector to all the 3 sides of a triangle, and all the 3 angle bisectors meet on the hypotenuse of the right angle triangle. So the point of concurrence lies on the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle. So student, practice this question at home. Thank you.